hold on, here we go. Woo! Woo! We hustle daily. Got our first ride. Gotta wipe all that off. Alright guys, right off the back, the Lexus is smooth, man. The V6 is definitely smooth. Smaller car for sure. Just comparing it to my M37, definitely a smaller car. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of miss the big body now that I'm driving this, but this also has its pros as well. So it's pros and cons to, you know, driving both. But definitely this one is I don't know, now that I'm in this car, you really see how big the M is, which is crazy. 'Cause I always thought like this was well, I guess it's a mid-sized car. I don't know why I thought it was like, I don't know. It just feels way smaller being continuing to drive that M every day. You know what I'm saying? Now that I'm in a smaller car, it's crazy. But definitely smooth. Where you think you're going? You don't know how to drive. You don't know how to drive, man. But definitely smooth. So y'all just sit back and enjoy the ride, and then I'm gonna give y'all some more thoughts. Altima, they gone. Altima ain't playing. I would try to keep up with them, but I don't know what. I just heard it was a speed trap, so I ain't trying to play no games. We ain't trying to play no games. We don't want to pay a $100 inspection fee and a $200 ticket or whatever the tickets cost. I don't know. I don't need no more tickets anyway. So I'm gonna cruise and I'm gonna do my 80. Definitely a smooth ride though. You know what's crazy? Like now I want to see what this car in a V8 feels like. The V8, the LS460 probably feel crazy, especially for a smaller car like this, like a little mid-sized car like this. Driving the V8 in this body, that probably is crazy, you know. But I don't know if. Let me know in the comments below which one is more reliable. Is the V8 reliable or what? I just hear good things about the V6 all the time, but y'all let me know what's going on with the V8, man. You don't really even see the V8, which is crazy. So you don't really see the Infiniti M56, right? You don't really see that car online anywhere for sale. Well, I ain't gonna say anywhere, but it's not a lot of them. And then you don't see a lot of the GS460s either, so it's crazy, you know what I'm saying? But pretty quick, the car feels pretty quick. I need to go in sport mode and all that, but I ain't trying to go too crazy. Like I say, it's dark out here. You don't know if the police in the cut or what, so I'ma just cruise, man. Here's some more thoughts. The smaller car definitely like sways more. You know what I mean? Like I was telling y'all, that big body M37, that boy is heavy. That boy do not be swaying like when you driving. You know what I'm saying? Like when I'm driving this car now, I kind of feel like I gotta keep the steering wheel kind of, you know what I'm saying? Like, cause it's windy. I know y'all hear that wind outside. That's an ES. So, but with the big body M, it's just like, it holds the road, you know what I'm saying? Even when it was raining that day, it wasn't sliding or nothing, you know what I'm saying? So that's one thing I am noticing. Like, I gotta kind of like, this mug is like, you know what I'm saying? Because it's a lighter car. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna miss that big body. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Big cousin, our big cousin, they go a 2013 GS350. Smooth though, I ain't gonna lie, it is smooth, bro. But when you driving, bro, that wind is kind of pushing the car. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie to y'all about that either. I gotta look up the gross weight on this car and then the gross weight on my M50. I keep calling it M56. We must got an M56 coming real soon. Power nicely. Try to keep up with them, but I don't know, like I'm more prone to go a little faster during the daytime than at night, because you just don't never know, man. Police could be up there in the cut, you feel me? But definitely smooth, bro, I ain't gonna lie, smooth as ever. Hold on, here we go. Not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad. Not bad at all. That wasn't bad at all. This mug get up now. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I think these are what, 300 horsepower. I think the M56 is what, 330, I believe. But it's a bigger car. But that sport mode in the M37S is you know what I'm saying? That is kind of crazy too. But that right there, when I just hit it, that wasn't bad at all. And I'm not even in sport mode. Let's put it in sport mode. we took it out. I was in 4th gear, and I tried to switch it to 5th, but I don't even know if I was... Wait, what we got going on here? We got some slow pokes. This is crazy. But yeah, I was in 4th gear. Tried to switch it to 5th, but I don't know if I was supposed to switch it that fast. Y'all know I ain't really no stick shift driver. Okay, look at the sit. Oh, CRV. Nah, you want to speed up. Oh, maybe it was the car in front of them. That's why it wasn't their fault. To 100, but I definitely don't want to speed out here, so sure, let's take our time. Now the only thing that this car don't got, like I was telling y'all in the previous videos, bro, we ain't got no different modes we can put it in. That's it. We just got regular, and then we can slap this into sport, but that's it. We ain't got no comfort. Well, the other car didn't have comfort, but we ain't got no eco mode. We don't got no snow mode. We don't got nothing. I like it though, man. We might be taking us a road trip in this car, but I ain't gonna lie, y'all ever be like selling cars and it be under 100,000 miles and you don't really want to drive the car because you don't want it to see that 100, because we all know, you know, 98,000 miles looks better when you post a car than, you know, 100 for real. Come on, man. What is that noise? Don't be breaking my windshield. The rock's breaking my windshield. I'm trying to go take inspection now. Come on, dog. They will fail you for, you know, cracked windshields. Major cracked windshields. Smooth ride though, man. Can't complain, man. Can't complain. Can't complain at all, bro. little bit, not a lot. Nice. All right, guys. Drive is now officially over. It's light outside now. Car looking good. Bumper looking good. I'm not sure which video I'm gonna release first. The POV drive or us getting inspection on this thing, because that's where we headed to. Well, that's where where we're at rather. But mug drive good, man. So now y'all see my little comparison, you know what I'm saying, compared to the M37 and the GS350. It's kind of cold out there, I'll tell you that much. So yeah, man, car drive good, you know what I'm saying. Definitely different kind of drives. I do like the big body. Like I was telling y'all, and I keep telling y'all, big body, bro. Big body something else. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Big body something else. But this is cool though. I like riding little small cars like this. So we just gotta see what happens, man. But hopefully y'all enjoyed that footage, man, of the POV drive. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all go to whdacademy.com. I appreciate y'all. It's your boy Ray, Big Play Ray. I'm out. Peace. All right, Hustle Nation, I decided to drop a low ticket course for those of you who cannot afford the full curriculum for $147. I decided to drop a course for just $19.99, where I'm going to teach you how to inspect any car, whether from a private party buyer or the auction. These skills you can use for a lifetime, and I still use these skills to this day. This is the foundation that's going to take you to a whole nother level when it comes to checking out cars. Learn all my tips and tricks on how I've been able to buy all these nice cars and make all this money. Here are some testimonials right here where you can see how I've been able to help other people in this business. So for just $19.99, click the link in the description below, and I'm gonna teach you everything. What's going on, Hustle Nation? Just want to tell you guys about this Auto A Stat research tool that I use to find out what's the history on all these Copart and insurance auto auction cars. It gets to tell you the auctions, how many auctions it's been to, the mileage, if the car has been staged by a dealer, as you can see. So if you would like to use this research tool, make sure you click the link in the description below.